What's up, WasGood? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's kind of dark, but Trey is inside right now. He's taking a dunk, and something just came to mind. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's dark outside. I'm outside right now. I had told him that I'm going to get my wave brush from out the car, which is I'm not. Well, I really am, but it's springtime. Like, it's springtime. It's gonna be prank war all day, every day. You know what I'm saying? So, in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be coughing the blood on Trey. I'm pranking Trey by coughing the blood. You know what I'm saying, you guys? So, I got I have this fake blood. You know what I'm saying? It ain't the little big fancy bottle because I'm not gonna spend money on that. You know what I'm saying? Just for a prank, not now. You know what I'm saying? And then it's coughing the blood, so I don't need that much blood anyway. So. I got the little, like, you know, the little blood that they be having for Halloween. What a wave brush. But I can't even see the wave brush. You know the little blood that they have for Halloween? Yeah, that blood. So I have some of that. That got from one of my closest cousins. And I'm gonna be using that blood. You know what I'm saying? I've been telling him that I don't feel good all day, so I'm gonna basically be like, Shine, I don't feel good, and then I'm gonna walk around the bed, and then I'm gonna just break down. I'm just gonna start choking, like coughing or something. You know what I'm saying? I've been telling him I ain't feel good all day. You know what I'm saying? So because I already knew what I was gonna plan. I already knew what I was gonna do. So I was like, why not? Why not bring him? But anyways, I'm on my way back in the house. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But before we get into this video, I'm sorry you guys cannot see me, but it's worth it. It's worth it because it's gonna be prank time. He's gonna be, I don't know what to do. To call your mom? You want me to call your mom? You want me to call the police? But no. But anyways, he's in the bathroom taking a dump. But I'm gonna walk in the house and hopefully, you know what I'm saying? I don't got on no makeup. I don't got on, and I just look hit right now, but oh man, because I'm on here. But I'm gonna walk in the house. He's probably out the bathroom, so I'm gonna turn his camera off. And you know what I'm saying? But anyway, before we get into this video, I need for y'all to like. Gotta make sure you got the blind right there. But before we get into this video, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Turn on your post notification. Y'all are gonna get pranks, channel, gonna get that back to back. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, stay tuned. I just made it in the house, you guys. He's still in the bathroom. He's still in the bathroom taking a dump. You know what I'm saying? You know when, you know. You finna rap?
Huh?
I say you finna rap?
No, I don't commercial already.
You like a commercial?
Yeah. Just the music part.
Oh, the instrumental? Oh. 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 But anyways, I'm gonna go find this fake blood. I'm gonna go find the blood. And we'll get excuse the apartment, you guys, sweetie. They clean up yet, but okay guys, I'm going to find the blood. He's still in the bathroom.
doing no blood? Doing no blood? Okay, I'm coming. I'm calling the ambulance. You bleed your mouth? Your nose? Good nigga, stay with me. Good nigga, what you do? What you do? My girlfriend is blowing up blood. There's blood all over the place. I don't know what's going on. She told me to come in the restroom. Yes. Okay. No. Stop. Come here.
Stop.
What you doing? What's wrong? I need somebody over here like really fast. Ambulance. My girlfriend is throwing up blood and I don't know what it's from. Crockett, Texas. 936-222-2217. Okay. Right. Stay with me. Born Hill with A-R, B-A-R-N, and then Hill.
Stop.
No.
Call them.
Why? My girlfriend called me in the restroom and there's, I think there's blood on the floor. Yes, ma'am. 18. Yes.
Oh my God. Stop.
Yes, she's breathing. She's panicking right now. Stop.
Sean, stop.
Okay. Okay. You're not okay. Stop.
Hang up.
No.
Hang up.
No. Put my hand up nowhere.
Hang up. Hang up. Hang up. I'm gonna call my mom.
Yes, ma'am. She told me to hang up the phone. I don't know why, but I'm not to hang up the phone. Come on. Yes, ma'am. Come on, get up. Get up. Come on. Like it's from. I can't tell. It's from her mouth or her nose. I can't tell which one it is from. Why?
I'm okay.
You're not okay. Do you see all the blood on the floor?
I told you I don't feel good.
It looked like it. I mean, I really can't tell. I really can't tell right now. You on blood thinner or anything? No, ma'am.
I'm okay. I just needed to throw up.
Okay.
I'm okay. Sean, hang up. Hang up. I'm okay. Hang up.
Okay. Okay, she said that.
Don't say that.
She said that she okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Because he really called the ambulance and they really on their way, so I gotta protect. So you guys, he really called them ambulance because I gotta put on gloves so I gotta still have to stain on my nose. He really called the ambulance. He really called us. I gotta act again. And
No, you ain't supposed to act.
no, I gotta act like if they be like, "You okay?" I gotta be like, "Yes, I'm okay." It's just that I called her. I think I bit my tongue. You're like, "Okay, open your mouth. Let me take out your tongue." So I gotta put on gloves and. Man, I can't believe you really called them. Like, why would you call them? I still got some on my nose. Hope they'll be like, is that blood?
Because you were bleeding out, dude.
I wasn't bleeding out. I was faking out. Duh, thanks. But I was trying to get off my mouth. But as you can see on my hand, it's not coming out. So I got to put on my gloves. So, Team K gang, I told y'all who is the captain, who is the gang. Let me see. It sound like they coming. Nah, they probably going to put on their sirens. Sorry. Oh, that is still shit. Oh, shit, what am I about to say? Yes, that's still. I'll be back, you guys. Hold up. So, you guys. Do I put the camera on right? Oh, no, I got it turned the wrong way. So, you guys, they just left. You know what I'm saying? I got Trey good. Look at him. He looking stupid, y'all. How you feel, Trey? He feel how he looks stupid. Look at my hands. It's just all bloody. Told y'all that they. How you feel? He really mad, y'all. He low-key mad. He said I scared him. How you feel, Trey?
Move the camera from my face.
How you feel?
Shut up.
How you feel? But anyways, y'all, I told y'all Team K gang. You know what I'm saying? Team K gang. So I know it's gonna be a wall. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, it's gonna always be K gang. Started off as K gang. You know what I'm saying? First person to make it to 1K. K gang. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I have to put a K on that one. You know what I'm saying? K gang. Anyway, but yeah, you guys, you know what I'm saying? Hit that bell, turn on your post notification because I know for a fact, look how he's looking. I know for a fact it's gonna be prank wars. So you know what I'm saying? Turn on that notification, hit that bell, like, comment, give us more ideas. You know what I'm saying? Trey, you got something to say?
I'm gonna get you back.
Y'all, the people here said, "You sure you don't go to the hospital?" I say no. He mad. He said, "Bo, you scared me, Bo."
I would have recorded it, but you know, I didn't want them to feel like they was.
Yeah, I told him to record, y'all. He ain't trying to get all the fakes, cause I would have posted. I would have put in quotation marks. Things got real. You know what I'm saying? They really was here. You know what I'm saying? I was mad at him at first. I'm not gonna get the camera, but I want y'all to see every little detail. Oh my God, I got this stuff all in my nails, all on my hand, but. Oh, well, you know what I'm saying? It was for y'all. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification because I promise you it's more pranks, more challenges, it's more everything. It's more truth there. Truth or there is coming. I be getting booked the car out here, go him, you know what I'm saying? Gonna always fail. But ever be K-gang. You know what I'm saying? Trey.
K-gang gonna lose.
K-gang. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag K-gang. You know what I'm saying? Peace, we out.